Hello, iCub. We are here today to show people how your abilities in multi-party conversation. Now, actually, we are just me and you, but while I'm talking, you are trying to understand from my nonverbal behavior if I'm talking to you or to someone on your right or on your left. And the screen behind you show different windows that are actually representing your different abilities you are using to do this. For instance, the window at the bottom right is representing the activation of different nodes that are important for you to engage in multi-party conversation. And for instance, we can see the processing of visual information, of audio information, and other modules.
Based on your nonverbal behavior, I think you are talking to me.
Right, it was exact. But sometimes you may fail the estimation. So and because of these, and also because you have just a little field of view, a limited field of view, let's say, you have also a spatial memory. That is another abilities that make you understand where people are in the environment and their role. For instance, in front of me, in front of you, there is me, and I am the speaker.
Based on your nonverbal behavior at the start of the interaction, I think you are talking to me.
Exactly. And there are also other windows. One of them at the left represents what you are seeing, actually, and the fact that I'm in front of you and you are seeing a face that is mine. And there are also other two windows that shows the motivation behind your estimation of the addressee, the estimation of to whom the speaker is talking. One of them represents the modality you are using most, the face or the body pose, and the other represents the where you are looking at the face.
Based on your nonverbal behavior, I think you are talking to me.
Cool. Let's try now. For instance, if I'm talking to your right, what are you doing now?
Based on your nonverbal behavior, I guess you were talking to someone to my right. But since I haven't seen nobody to my right, I guess you were talking to me.
Cool. So let's start now with other recordings representing different scenes that could have robots, for instance, at the airport, or different ones. And you will have all these abilities that will be shown to make people understand what's going on inside your brain.
Hey, how are you doing? For me, it was a very exhausting day. Outside it's raining and I forgot my umbrella. And at work, it was a really bad day. We had one meeting after the other and it was so tiring.
Based on your nonverbal behavior, I guess you were talking to someone to my left.
Yeah, I'm sorry to hear that. But today wasn't the day of your meeting, the very important one, about the reconstructing of the city center's building. How did it go? Did you manage to convince your colleagues or not?
Based on your nonverbal behavior, I guess you were talking to someone to my right.
Thank you for asking. Actually, I think I managed to convince most of them, but I'm not sure about the head of the department. So let's see, they will give us a feedback in a few days, so finger crossed. But what about having a tea now?
Based on your nonverbal behavior at the start of the interaction, I guess you were talking to someone to my left.
Yeah, tea is always a good idea. But now I'm busy at work already. I mean, I'm still busy at work, and but what do you think about asking our robot to make a tea?
Based on your nonverbal behavior, I guess you were talking to someone to my right.
Yeah, good idea. So, iCub, can you do a tea for us, please?
Based on your nonverbal behavior, I think you are talking to me. Of course. I will start by heating the water and then proceed to steep the tea leaves. Would you like sugar or honey added to your tea?
Yes, thank you. Generally, I take some black tea with some sugar.
Based on your nonverbal behavior, I think you are talking to me. No problem. Your tea will be sweetened with sugar. Do you want me to add milk or cream too?
No, iCub, thank you. It's fine like that. Hey, Robot, how can you help us?
Based on your nonverbal behavior at the start of the interaction, I think you are talking to me. As a service robot working at the mall, I can assist customers with a variety of tasks and provide helpful information about the shops and amenities within the mall. Here are some ways I can help. 1. Give directions. I can provide turn-by-turn directions to help you navigate the mall. Simply ask me which store location you're trying to find, and I'll guide you there. 2. Answer questions, if you have any questions.
Okay, cool. Maybe we can ask it to give us some information to find a shop for our mom's gift. You know, tomorrow is her birthday.
Based on your nonverbal behavior, I guess you were talking to someone to my right.
Yeah, cool idea. So, Robot, which shops are present in the mall to make a gift to our mom for her birthday?
Based on your nonverbal behavior, I think you are talking to me. To suggest shops that may have gifts suitable for your mother's birthday, we would need more details about her interests and hobbies. Can you tell me what she likes or dislikes? That way, I can recommend stores that are likely to have something she'll enjoy. Alternatively, you could specify which type of item you're looking for example, jewelry, clothing, electronics, and I can suggest shops accordingly.
Sure. So, she loves reading books, actually. Do you know if there is a bookshop?
Based on your nonverbal behavior at the start of the interaction, I think you are talking to me. Yes, there are several bookshops in the mall. These include Barnes & Noble, Amazon Books, and Borders Books. Each of these shops offers a wide selection of titles across multiple genres, including fiction, nonfiction, children's literature, and more. If you need further assistance in locating a particular bookstore or title, please let me know and I'll be happy to help.
Okay, let's say that our mom like fiction books and specifically thriller books. Would you like to suggest us a title?
Based on your nonverbal behavior at the end of the interaction, I guess you were talking to someone to my left. Of course. Which genre or topic are you interested in? That way, I can provide you with a list of recommended books within the category. Alternatively, you can specify a particular author or series, and I can suggest similar works. Let me know how I can assist you better.
Our mom loves Agatha Christie's books.
Based on your nonverbal behavior at the start of the interaction, I think you are talking to me. Great choice. Agatha Christie is a renowned mystery writer known for creating memorable characters and intriguing plots. Her most popular series features the sleuth Hercule Poirot, which includes over 70 novels and short stories. Other notable works by Agatha Christie They include the Marvel series and standalone novels like Murder on the Orient Express. I recommend checking out any of these series if you're looking for engaging mysteries.
Great. Maybe we can just go for another Agatha Christie book. What do you think about it?
Yes, we never go wrong with that. So let's go.
Hi Julia, I'm very happy to have dinner together, but we have to wait also for Carlo. He is always late.
Based on your nonverbal behavior at the start of the interaction, I guess you were talking to someone to my left.
Hi Marco. Yes, Carlo just texted me and is stuck in the traffic jam. But you know what? In the meanwhile, we can ask the robot waiter if there are any gluten-free option in the menu because Carlo is celiac.
Based on your nonverbal behavior, I think you are talking to me. Hello, I'm iCub, here to assist you with any questions or requests you may have. Our restaurant has offered gluten-free options, including vegetable pasta dishes, salads, and ceramic desserts. We also have a selection of gluten-free breads available upon request. Let me know if there's anything specific you're interested in, and I'll be happy to make recommendations.
Actually, I was talking with Marco, but thank you for answering, iCub.
Based on your nonverbal behavior at the start of the interaction, I think you are talking to me. No problem. I apologize for misunderstanding earlier. If you have any further questions or requests, feel free to let me know. Have a great meal.
Hey people, hello. Sorry for being late. Have you asked if there is anything to eat for me?
Dot. Based on your nonverbal behavior, I guess you were talking to someone to my right.
Yes, Carlo, we asked to the robot and there are gluten-free options for you, so we can enter and start our dinner.
Based on your nonverbal behavior, I guess you were talking to someone to my left.